Hello everybody, I'm Ashley. Sophie's not here because sadly she hasn't got her pop in the box yet. So I'm going to open mine without her for the moment, and then she's doing hers when hers arrives, obviously. So let's see what's inside, shall we? Oh, shut up now. Orange. I guess Vimto wanted to try it, but orange is just as good. Assassin's Creed Liberation. It's not bad. And just for you, Sophie, it is a female. I don't exactly know how to pronounce her name, so I'm not going to even attempt to do it. But that is pretty bad out, so what's that? I'm going to have 3 of them. Whoop. And we got Hiro Hamada from Big Hero 6. By now we've got Hiro and we have Baymax. But Baymax is not in his armour, but they're all up there. We'll have to show you in a bit. But we hope you all have a lovely time getting yours, and good luck for the rest of you. Come on.
Hi, my name's Sophie. My partner Ashley, bless him, got his pop in a box ages ago. I've just got mine. I don't mind the wait. 2 pops up like his. Let's get cracking. See what we got. I don't use a knife anymore. Have I got any popping candy? No.
Not looking.
I cannot feel any popping candy. Okay, so my first pop is... Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm happy. We've started our Big Bang set. We've got Leonard. So I'm very happy. We actually just watched 3 episodes of Big Bang last night because we were a bit behind. So I'm actually really chuffed that we got Big Bang pop. Woohoo! So put them on our shelf. And then I've got another one that I quite wanted. Got Astrid. So I've got Astrid now to put with Hiccup and Toothless, which are in our top corner on our shelf. So no, I'm really happy with those. Thank you very much, Pop in a Box.